This 2020 Grand Design Imagine 3170BH2BDRM double slide, rear bunkhouse is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 9, auxiliary battery, Slideout, Skylight, air conditioning, TV, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry-exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Grand Design Imagine 3170BH2BDRM double slide, rear bunkhouse is 8,210 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.